Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these. These are the X14 Sport headphones. We're going to give these things a try and we'll open these up and see what we can do. Let's check it out. It's boxed up pretty nice. In here, oh look at this. So this is what it looks like here. They come very compact. It's everything out of the box. It comes in a nice foam box. Let's see what's in here. So it is going to be a charging cable, so it's going to charge USB to USB-C. And then we got the little manual here, so kind of explains it, I guess. We'll give this thing a try here, and then this is the device. So this is what it looks like here. So I guess it's going to have the batteries and what behind the Sport. And on this side here, you can see it's got the little buttons. It's at a minus. I guess a minus, a plus, and then a dot in the middle. So we'll see what those are for here in a second. I guess the plus is going to be to increase the volume, and then this is here is to connect and stuff. It looks like on the bottom here, you can see right there, that's where the little USB is going to connect. So there, we got the little USB-C connector back under there. Okay. And they are some sort of like induction ones, I guess. Let's see, how do we turn these on? Oh, I think something flashed. Yep, see it's flashing on the bottom here. I think it's trying to connect through Bluetooth. I'm going to try it here on my iPad, and we'll give it a go to connect. It says it's called X14. Guess it goes this way. So it doesn't really go in your ears, it just kind of gets close to it. Nope, it says it's connected, so let's see what happens now. So let me just go into like a YouTube video and see what happens. Oh, this is weird. It's like not inside my ear, but I hear it. It's like in my head. Can you guys hear that? This is weird. Oh, you guys can't even hear it. It sounds so good, and it's like, I guess that's what the induction is, but if you look, you can see, I have to stop this because it's too loud, but you can see it's not even in my ear, so I can totally hear things that are going on around me, but I hear the sound really good. And this would be great. And it's okay, and it's ridiculous. It's really light and it holds on really good. This would be great for, I guess, sport. That's why it's called Sport. I'm going to give these a try when I run or when I bike next time, because I think these are going to be great. Because I'll still be able to like hear the traffic and stuff around me from here. All right, let me try this again here. See if you guys can hear. I don't know if you guys can hear anything. Yeah, it sounds tinny if I just put it right in my ear, but when I have it this way, I hear it sounds a lot better. So I'm gonna say these are really cool. And let me try the volume. Let's see. Well, it works. It does it. It works. It makes it lower and quieter and that. And the middle button. Oh, the middle button acts as pause once it's going. So it's the power button and it's the pause button, I guess. Very cool. So it says open ear design. It's waterproof for daily use. It's got memory auto connect device, so that's good. So it'll always connect now to my iPad. Probably want to connect it to my Peloton or to my phone or something. But very good. So I'm going to say this is a really nice set of headphones, the X14. So if you need some nice sporty headphones, I mean, it doesn't seem like they've got tons and tons of the bass or whatever, but for something where you can still hear what's going on while you've got them on, and it's like induction, so it's like going through my head. Feels really cool. It sounds really cool. Thumbs up from me.